not undergo the corruption of the sepulchre. The tomb could not hold longer than it was needed to prove that your death was real. Now, the shattered seals, the entrance stone thrown back, the testimony of the angel prove that your resurrection is real. It also